Hello everyone, welcome to the second week of our Geoinformatics course. I am so glad you are following this 15-week journey with us. This week, our agenda focuses on two primary elements. First, general concepts of computer programming, and second, an introduction to Python programming. For the first part, we reviewed the core terminology, we defined what a programming language is, what a computer program actually does, and how we classify languages based on three key criteria. Next, we looked at the languages most used in geoinformatics. We discussed their popularity and current industry ratings, citing sources like Business Insider and the IEEE. To wrap up this section, we use analogies from food preparation to illustrate how programs work. And we broke down the anatomy of a computer program. For the second part, we dove into the basics of Python. We discussed how to set up your development environment using the Anaconda ecosystem. We covered the essentials, variables, data types, and data structures. We also explored operators, functions, and control structures, like conditionals and loops. Finally, we touched on different programming paradigms, including imperative, functional, and procedural programming. With this foundation in place, we set the stage. Next week, we will delve deep into the object-oriented programming paradigm. As promised, you will find a link to download the lecture materials in the video description. I look forward to seeing you next week. Thank you.